Привет, друзья! Как дела? My name is Fedor, and today you will learn 5 slang words or phrases that you have to know if you are to speak to a native. We as natives use them in every single conversation, and today you will learn all 5 words, but not only their definition, but how to use it yourself. How you can, as a learner, use it in the conversation properly. How I, a native, would use it myself. Number 1 is короче. Короче, its literal meaning is shorter. But короче as a filler word, it means, okay, alright, let's get to the point. Короче is used when you want to sum something up quickly and get to the point. Короче. For example, let's say I'm describing this situation. I went to the store, then I saw my friend. We started talking, he talked about his job, about his life. Короче. Было здорово. To be short, it was great. So with this короче, I sum up what I'm saying to say, all right, it was wonderful. Now, how can you use короче in a conversation like a native? You use it when you want to sum something up and get to the point. If you're yapping away about something for a long time, короче, all right, let's get to the point. It's this, that, and the third. Let's say you don't want to go to the party and your friends are telling you, let's go, it's going to be a lot of fun, it's going to be wonderful. You can say, короче, я не хочу. To get to the point, to be short, I don't want to. Let's save our breath and not talk about it for too long. Короче. Next one is в общем. В общем means in general. When you don't want to get in details about every single little thing, you say в общем to sum everything up. In general, it's like this. For example, let's say again you meet your friend and they're asking you, how is life? You say, well, my job is good, my family is great, my health is great, I'm making good money. В общем, все хорошо. In general, everything is great. В общем means in general, to sum everything up without getting into details. В общем, все хорошо. Or maybe if my friend asks me about my work and I don't want to really get into details about the finances about it, about all the little things about it because it's a company secret, I can say, в общем, все в порядке. In general, everything is good. And that's exactly how you can use it in your own Russian too, whenever you want to sum everything up without getting into details about every single little thing. В общем, все в порядке. In general, everything is good. The next word is an incredible word that is used for many different situations. Блин. Блин, its first meaning is damn. Блин, я уронил телефон. Damn, I dropped my phone. Блин is used to say damn. It's a replacement of a curse word, of course, that you might already know, but I'm not going to mention it in this video, but it's just simply used to say damn. Блин. How can you use it in your sentences? If you regret not doing something or doing something, say блин. For example, you can say блин, я забыл позвонить. Damn it, I forgot to call. Блин here will show your disappointment with yourself. Блин, я забыл позвонить. But a different meaning of блин is just as a filler word. It means shoot. It means I regret doing something. It doesn't really have a literal meaning effect on the sentence. It's more of an emotion of regret. For example, он меня, блин, не слушает. He doesn't listen to me. And you insert this блин as a form of showing regret. Oh, he doesn't listen to me. Gosh darn it. You wouldn't even translate it as damn or anything like that. It's simply a regretful thought or emotion you want to convey. And of course, slang expressions and slang words is not all there is to learn to speak Russian well to natives. You also must learn grammar and vocabulary, which you can do with our Be Fluent class with the first link in the description. Learn all the vocabulary and grammar that you need with Be Fluent class with the first link below and start talking to your family and friends freely. All right? Next word for today is also a very interesting one. And the word is в смысле. В смысле can be a question. What do you mean? And it's a question that we ask a lot. When somebody says, I'm gonna be late, my car broke down, you can say, в смысле? What do you mean? Are you serious? In that sentence, you are in disbelief and you ask, What do you mean? В смысле? Not that, okay, what do you mean the car broke down? I don't understand what that means. No, you are in disbelief and you're saying, в смысле? When you are, it's hard for you to comprehend what's happening. В смысле? That's one application that you can use this word в смысле in. Another one is when you want to define something. Let's say your friends are planning to drive somewhere for 2,000 miles with no stops whatsoever. You can say, guys, this is foolish, this is not right, you shouldn't be doing this. В смысле, это небезопасно. What I mean is, it's not safe. And so you shouldn't be driving this long distance. And that's how you can also use в смысле to further elaborate and define what you're trying to say. And the last word for today is пойдет. Пойдет is a slang expression that we use a whole lot to say it will do. This word literally means it will go, something will go, but we just simply say it as a response to things like, it will do. Let's say you got a coffee at a cafe or something, right? And then you taste it, пойдет. It's not the best, it's not bad, it will do. Пойдет. And пойдет is used as a sign of approval of something. It doesn't mean that it's bad, because in English, if we say it will do, it's kind of like a negative thing. But in Russian, пойдет can be a good thing. It can be just simply your approval. You approve of it. You don't say good or bad, but you approve. Пойдет can be used like that by anybody, including you. And that's all from me for today. 5 words and phrases that you can use in your daily conversations with natives. And like I said, learn not just the slang expressions with this button right here with Be Fluent class. Learn all the grammar and vocabulary and speaking and listening to communicate to your friends and family and your loved ones right here, or keep on watching our YouTube videos with this next video.